spam. Quel connard. Ah, des coucou, tu vas? Merci. Hop. Bon, est-ce que ça va être juste un petit truc de rien du tout en mode... Alors, comment ça se déroule? Est-ce qu'on aura des informations à propos de Ziba et de Istaros? Ou est-ce que vraiment la théorie comme quoi c'est la fille du temps est réelle? Bah, je suppose, parce que vu de ses pouvoirs, il y aura moyen.
Hey, are you two looking?
Elle est là-bas?
No, but that young lady who was dressed up as the White Horse Adeptus the other day is. I just saw her head toward Wan Mean Restaurant. I was wondering why she was eating alone. But then you two showed up hot on her.
Oh, what luck! We were just
Moi, c'est rappelé.
But what's she doing at Wan Min Restaurant?
Sûrement partir
I
manger.
have no idea. I said hello, but she completely ignored me. She
bah.
couldn't have forgotten who I am, right? I mean, we're kindred spirits, aren't we?
Oh, bichette.
Maybe she's still half asleep, but her brain might be a little fuzzy.
Oh, that makes sense. I was wondering
Oula.
why her eyes were so red.
Rouge, c'est qu'elle est en
Her eyes
colère.
are red? Oh, that doesn't sound good.
You young people, staying up all night because you think you're invincible. Look at your friend. A word to your friend from someone who's older and
Elle a
wiser.
besoin de se reposer.
Paimon won't be so certain about the older and wiser part.
Non mais vraiment, Pigmot c'est vraiment la commère de service, hein. Celle qui chie sur tout le monde quand elle est sur le banc public là.
Yeah, what was that?
Ah, rien, on lui transmettra votre message.
Hurry along then. Oh, and don't forget to come back and check out my Rex Lapis cosplay when you're done.
Ah bah je voudrais bien voir ton costume, hein, putain. Épilogue. Voyage paisible du cheval blanc. Oh, lui est transformé en Zoulis, ça peut être rigolo. Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Where's the proprietor? Come out and see me at once.
Oui, qu'est-ce qu'il branle? Ah là, Chen-Hee.
Xiangling and Chef Mao aren't here right now. What can I help you with?
And who might you be?
My name is Shenhe. I work here at Wan Min Restaurant.
Shenhe. Shenhe. Are you that crane adeptus who loves planting mint? It's been a few days. Have you improved your gardening skills? Did you manage to cover the slopes with mint?
Bah, en moi, commence à retrouver la mémoire.
Mint? I don't know anything about mint. But I am familiar with Qingshen and glaze lilies.
Ha! Already casting mint from your mind. How can a practitioner of self-cultivation be so fickle, chasing after every new plant that catches their eye?
I'm not sure
Pourquoi
I
elle est pas
get what you
contente?
mean. Are you delirious from hunger? Would you like something to eat?
Shenhe! White Horse Zabai! So this is where everyone is!
Traveler, Paimon. It's been a long time.
Ah, je vais festival des lanternes, bien sûr. Hop.
Is this customer a friend of yours?
En quelque sorte.
Don't mind her, Shenhe. She's just a little cranky because, she didn't sleep well last night and she's only just woken up. Look how red her eyes are.
Comment elle est vénère.
I see. In that case, Miss Zabai, I have a tonic here infused with Qingshen. It's cool and soothing when applied to the eyes. Would you like to try a few drops?
Few drops.
Stop right there!
Un instant.
Who are you two noisy children?
Ah, merde, elle nous a oublié.
Hey, have you forgotten about us already?
On est vos guides.
Guides. Yes, I seem to recall something about some guides. Ah, yes, now I remember. What luck! I was just looking for someone to show me the way to Elong Wharf.
Oh putain, non mais en fait elle est bipolaire. Bon, je sais l'instabilité des âmes, etc. Mais c'est marrant quand même cette bipolarité.
Is she starting to come around?
Pourquoi voulez-vous aller au port Yilong?
Someone requested my help in purchasing some tea leaves. I was informed they have discounted prices during the festival and that I shall get a good deal there.
Tea leaves? Sounds like Zhongli's doing. He sure knows how to get people running errands for him.
Zhongli achète du thé en solde maintenant.
Your friend Rex Zhongli initially requested the most expensive tea, but then a young lady in a hexagram
Avec un
hat
chapeau.
mentioned he'd burned through the Wangsheng funeral parlor's yearly expenses at an exhibition a few days
Ah,
ago.
Udo.
As such, he is only permitted to buy items that are discounted this month.
Oh, that's his boss, Hu Tao. It's about time she realized the problem and put a stop to his spending.
En même
sprees.
temps, l'artefact il devait coûter des millions d'euros.
Oh, I see. So that's why you're here. Unfortunately, Wanmin Restaurant doesn't sell tea leaves. If you're truly in need, I could gather some wild tea from the mountain slopes.
You don't sell tea leaves? But I remember your boss, Miss Lu, saying that she owns tea fields.
Ah, c'est pas trop Albatros.
You really should get some rest. The person you're talking about isn't the boss of Wanmin Restaurant. She's just like you. She can't.
Is that so? Life really is full of surprises.
Oh, ça doit être dur quand même hein, de tout mélanger
What
constamment.
surprises? Your brain really is as gooey as a pack of slimes. I can't believe Zhongli entrusted
On n'a
you
qu'à
with
vous y
going all the
emmener.
way to Yilong Wharf and buying tea.
That would be excellent, my dutiful guides.
Beautiful guides.
Yes, Miss
Mademoiselle
Crane.
Lagrue.
I apologize profusely for my improper behavior just now. Please.
I completely understand. Master often says that the human body is like a mechanism in need of regular maintenance. When a person cannot rest at night, they are sure to become irritable and on edge.
Miss Crane, you appear reasoned and compassionate on the surface, yet I sense dark forces churning within your spiritual core. Those red ropes you wear are what bind them. Am I correct?
Oh. You can sense that?
Je ne sais comment ça, je ne sais même pas. On apprend tous les jours également. Hein.
Indeed. I also sense that with your strength, you might try undoing one or two of those bonds when training.
Untie Shen has ropes? Wouldn't that be risky?
Though the use of red ropes to bind the soul is a wondrous technique, practitioners must eventually learn to break free from external aids and look within themselves for restraint.
Master has told me similar things, but I am not ready yet.
Your self-cultivation has progressed far enough.
Then I will seek further guidance from my master.
If you still have doubts, you can find me at the Baiju Guest House. I'll be taking up residence there for a while.
Trop marrant.
For now, my dutiful guides, let us be off.
Let us be off. Bah c'est cool. Hop. Comment ça 3000? Ah mais c'est de là. Oh là là, j'ai rien débloqué ici les tests. Port Yilong, c'est pour ça me disait rien. Il est parti chercher loin son thé là. Mais oui, ma Wicca en fait, hein. Hop. En tout cas, moi j'aime beaucoup la quête, hein. Très très cool. Regardez-moi tous ces prix beaux gemmes qui me manquent, quoi. J'ai rien fait de tout ça. Non, mais de grâce. Il y a où le truc, je le vois plus. Padapadapapapapaparam. On va juste prendre ça quand même. On n'est pas obligé de revenir. Hop.
Aren't we going to Yilong Wharf? How do we end up on this mountain?
Elle voulait profiter de la vue, je
Is
suppose.
that small town over there not Elong Wharf? I sense a familiar scent wafting through the air.
You're right. Except for the smell part. Paimon doesn't smell anything.
That is because this scent is
Des
the
sons de
essence of
jade.
jade, which can nourish the spirit.
Oh, yeah. Shenyu Vale does have a lot of jade, but Paimon didn't think jade smelled like, you know, anything.
Naturally,
Anything.
this has reminded me of something.
And what's that?
A few simple tricks for mastering one's power.
Hein? Quelques astuces simples pour maîtriser son pouvoir. Oh,
What is that thing?
très stylé. Ah d'accord.
I'm sure you've been to Elong Wharf many times before, but I wonder if you've done so while cruising through. You've been such dutiful, dedicated guides, so allow me to offer this fresh experience as recompense.
Ah, ça va être trop
Please
cool.
step in.
Ok. Ah, incroyable. Hop. Parader. Ah non merde, je suis pas assis. Non. Oh, c'est ridicule. Ok, c'est bon.
Is
On va se
amazing.
mettre en forme cinématique.
Paimon feels just like an Adeptus flying through the sky. What is this thing?
Ça c'est trop. Oh là là,
I
trop stylé
created
avec
it
la
from
vue
my
là-bas.
memories of the chariot of the lunar palace.
Du chariot
Many
du
years
palais
have
lunaire.
passed since I last laid eyes upon it, so there may be some discrepancies. Nonetheless, it is functionally much the same.
A lunar
Comme quoi
chariot?
l'artefact.
Wow. Paimon never imagined she'd get to
Trop
ride
stylé,
in
hein.
one.
Tout ça pour aller à un truc qui était à côté quand même. Hein. C'est
Does
trop
that
fort.
mean you used to work on the moon?
Work. That's an interesting way to phrase it, though I suppose you are correct. I was once an angel, a member of a race tasked with
Quoi?
guiding humanity. Then,
Quoi?
graced by serendipity, I became a moon
Un
envoy.
ange.
Huh? What's a moon envoy? Some kind of super important angel?
As you would understand it, a moon envoy is a job title.
Ah.
Any angel, or non-angel, can become a moon envoy.
Does that mean you're not the only one?
Of course not. Though my memories are still hazy, I vaguely remember some of my colleagues.
La forme
There
d'un
was
ibis.
one who liked to take on the form of an ibis.
Je sais pas ce que c'est qu'un
An
ibis.
ibis. Could it be? Can all moon envoys turn into animals? Does it mean Rauma could take that job? She can turn into a deer.
Ah.
Moon chanters are some sort of Luna envoy anyway, right?
Moon chanter? I have no idea what those are.
Oh.
Attends, je regarde,
okay
c'est quoi un
then.
ibis? Ah, du coup, intéressant. Donc, c'était pas une déité, c'était un ange qui a ensuite eu le rôle de.
Look! Paimon thinks she saw a tea vendor over there.
Very well. Let's take a look.
Ah, un ibis, c'est un peu comme souffle nuage, genre. Ok. Incroyable. Ouais, comparaison, on a Loma. Attends, on a fait quoi? On est passé de là à là. Pff, c'est banger. Hein. Alors, n'activons pas la quête, si je t'en supplie. Sur la quête, on dirait que c'est là, c'est le papy là-bas. Ok.
Welcome, please have a look around. We only sell teas of the finest quality sourced directly from Chaoying Village. Right now we're offering a special discount for Lantern, right?
Look over there. Discounted tea.
Du thé en promo.
Dear customers, are you looking to purchase some tea leaves? I can see from your bearing that you are no ordinary customers. My humble shop has some exquisite teas that should satisfy your more refined tastes.
Ok.
We're not here for quality. We're looking for a discount.
Du coup, elle a dû connaître Nicole. Je me demande.
Discount? Well, that's a coincidence. Our Sunglaw tea is on sale right now. A special festive offer.
Something about the name of that tea.
Buy 3 boxes of Sunglaw tea during the festival to get 10% off. Buy 4,
Attends.
get 20% off.
Non, je sais pas. Alors 10% de réduction pour 3 boîtes achetées, 20 production de 1 pour 4 boîtes, pour 10 achetées, vous les obtenez à moitié prix.
That's right. 10 boxes at half price. Have you been to our shop before by any chance?
Êtes-vous déjà venu de boutique?
Oh, Paimon's definitely heard this spiel before.
3, 4, 10, 10, 20, 50.
Zabai, what are you muttering about?
When purchasing 3, 4, or 10 boxes, the corresponding discounts are 10, 20, and 50%.
10, 20 et 50%.
The intervals between the two sets of numbers are 1 and 6, and 10 and 30.
Look, her eyes turned blue. That's gotta be a first.
If the differences between intervals remain equal, the interval after 6 should be 6 plus the difference between 6 and 1, which is 11.
Comment ça?
Similarly, after 30, the next interval should be 50. Therefore, extrapolating upward, the next two numbers in each set should be 21 and 100.
21 et 100.
Ah, you're making Paimon's head spin. Those
Qu'est-ce qu'elle
numbers,
raconte?
what do they mean?
They mean that if we buy 21 boxes of Sunglaw tea, we should get a 100% discount.
Ah, la voix de fou.
They mean that if we buy 21 boxes of Sunglaw tea, we should get a 100% discount.
Ça se revient. Attends, un petit DA, un petit
They
DA.
mean that if we buy 21 boxes of Sunglaw tea, we should get a 100% discount.
Elle est vraiment incroyable.
Discount?
Bah oui, c'est moins cher que
Get it for
gratuit.
free? Oh, there was a pattern to the discounts.
The pattern we speak of is mathematics, little one. A pattern that is always right.
That's amazing. You're a shopping genius, Zabai.
J'ai l'impression que quelqu'un se cloche.
Something feels off here.
I had no idea our shop's discounts were tied to the laws of nature. I've learned so much from you, dear customer.
Aïe
No
aïe.
need to thank me. Now, please give us our 21 boxes of free tea.
Ah, comment il va se faire arnaquer.
What's the matter?
Paimon just realized what it is that's not right.
De ce qui ne te réparons.
It took you long enough.
We got the short end of the stick. Think about it. If we don't have to pay when buying 21 boxes, then if we buy even more, the vendor should be paying us money instead, right?
Ah putain, non mais... En fait, ils veulent vraiment les arnaquer jusqu'au bout.
Huh?
Oh mon dieu.
Hey, Zabai, work this one out. If we buy 100 boxes, we'd make loads of money, wouldn't we?
Oh, l'arnaque de
It
fou.
stands to reason.
Wait a moment, dear customers. Don't you think you're haggling a little too hard?
T'imagines, tu payes un article et c'est toi, c'est l'entreprise qui doit donner de l'argent au client. Oh, le truc de fou.
You are the one dictating the discounts. We're simply extrapolating the numerical patterns within. As such, we are hardly haggling.
You have a point. However, that's right. I'm so sorry. I just remembered. My supplier didn't come today, so we don't have any tea after all. Such a shame. Terribly sorry
Aïe, aïe,
about this
aïe.
awful, awful luck.
Tu te fous
Where
bien de
can
notre
we
gueule.
find your supplier?
Well...
Not to fret. We'll save you the effort and go straight to the source ourselves.
Well, you see, dear client, the supplier's discount isn't as generous as ours. You won't be able to get the same price from them.
Huh? Does that mean they won't pay us for taking their tea?
They might not even offer you a 100% discount.
How very unfortunate. Nevertheless, as the original supplier, they must offer some sort of discount. Besides, we're not looking to make money. We just want a good deal.
Well, that's great. My suppliers are all tea farmers from Chaoying Village. You can go ask around the
Village de
village, but
Chaoying.
please don't say I sent you.
Do not worry, we appreciate your generosity.
Mais sauf que du coup, en fait, elle va partir du principe où même 1% de réduction, si t'en prends 100, c'est 100%.
Referring customers to your business partners, even choosing to remain anonymous, the demeanor of a true gentleman indeed. Your business will surely prosper.
I hope you're right.
Then let us head to Chaoying Village. Do you know the way, my guides?
Par contre, elle est magnifique avec ses yeux bleus quand même, ça lui va beaucoup mieux.
Of course! Just follow us!
Le bleu c'est plus humain, le jaune c'est plus divin et le rouge c'est plus menaçant. C'est la vie. Il a failli mourir.
What otherworldly beings were those? Thank the heavens I managed to send them on their way. I should hurry home and pray to the White Horse Adeptus. May she bless me such that I never encounter such customers again.
Si tu savais. Ok, tac. Oh, c'est beau ici. Hein. Franchement, quand j'explorais ici, j'ai bien kiffé. Ah, on va refaire une balade avec le chariot là.
Here we are! Chaoying Village!
The mountains and waters
beau,
are
hein.
pristine. They embody the beauty of heaven and earth.
It's a good-looking place, all right. But it's hard to enjoy the scenery when Paimon can't stop thinking about all that tea-buying Mora we're missing out on.
Should fate dictate, Mora will find its way to you sooner or later.
Ah.
Well, Morax certainly finds us often enough. He even sought us out in person, this lantern right.
For now, let's look around and see if any tea
Putain,
farmers
c'était
are
trop
selling
marrant
their
là,
crop.
le truc où 21 boîtes c'est l'équivalent de 100% de réduction.
We'll be able to see more clearly from up high.
On
Let's
sent
take
la...
to the sky and enjoy the beautiful scenery while we're at it.
On sent le plaisir même. Ah bah c'est reparti. Hop. S'asseoir. Parader. Par contre ici, ouais, il y a des magnifiques photos à prendre. Hein. Tac. Ah, du coup, dis-nous en plus par rapport aux anges.
Indeed, the houses here are quite different from those in Liyue Harbor. They follow the natural contours of the mountains, forming unique, elegant structures.
C'est vrai.
Yeah, it's super beautiful.
The white walls and dark tiles frame the emerald waves of the terraced fields, while the curved eaves and tall gateways juxtapose each other with grace.
It's almost too beautiful to be true.
Non, toujours plus.
The crowing of roosters and barking of dogs, the calls of farmers working the fields, a vibrant pastoral chorus
Bucolique.
overflowing with earthly vitality.
Yeah, it's incredibly beautiful.
It's insane.
Have you studied the linguistic arts by some chance?
Non.
Huh?
Your vocabulary for beauty seems rather constrained.
Aïe aïe aïe, tu es limité, Paimon.
Paimon knows how to say pretty as well.
I see. Now then, let's take a look around and see if we can find any farmers selling tea.
Elle s'est fait tacler. C'est quoi ces bruits là que j'entends? Ah oui, c'est vrai qu'il y a un truc spécial ici.
Field. And they look kind of familiar.
Ah bah oui, Liu Xiangxiang.
Is that Wu Shangxiang?
And who is that?
That.
Oh, you'll remember her once you see her up close. Hey there, Lu Shengsheng! It really is you!
Ok. Alors.
Huh? Paimon, Traveler, and
Quelle
the White
surprise.
Horse Adeptus. Fancy seeing you here.
The White Horse Adeptus has a name now. You can call her Zabai.
Zibai.
And you are... Wait. I remember now, you're...
Tu es celle qui a été empoisonnée.
Don't say anything about food poisoning or fish.
You're the young lady who wanted to rise above the rest, are you not?
Yes, that's me.
Ah.
But I'm in a bit of a state right now. At best, I can say I've fallen below them.
Ouais, parce que du coup, elle a dû rejoindre son côté familial, je suppose.
Fallen below them? What happened?
Like I said the last time we met, I'm being punished according to family rules. My father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, other grandfather, other...
Oh, that's a lot of family members.
Yeah, and on the night of Lantern Rite,
Ça a pas
we held
chômé.
a family meeting to discuss my situation.
Oh là là, mais quelle famille horrible.
So, they do care about you.
There's no doubt they care. But they think that since I caused all that trouble in Liyue Harbor, it shows I can't be trusted on my own. They decided to ground me.
Mon Dieu. T'as pas 13 ans, hein, si...
Around you?
Yeah, though they're not confining me to my room. Instead, I have to personally nurture a tea seedling until it grows big enough to be sold at market.
Aw, a tiny little tea baby. Do they want you to experience what it's
Ah.
like to be a
Après, c'est
parent?
une bonne leçon, mais bon.
It's supposed to cultivate my character and temperament. They say this will help me calm down and reflect on my issues.
What happened in Liyue Harbor really wasn't your fault. Oh
No.
well, at least this punishment doesn't sound too harsh. So, how long will it take for the little tea baby to grow?
6 ans.
Actually, I don't know. I've never grown a tea tree before.
It usually takes 2 or 3 years.
Oh la pauvre. Emprisonnée pendant 2-3 ans.
2 or 3 years?
Yes, the tea in this garden requires 2 or 3 years to mature.
Aïe aïe aïe.
Zabai, you're not making this up, are you? How do you know so much about growing tea?
Mais c'était une déesse des cultures.
When the plants thrive and grow, that is the meaning of my name. I can tell at a glance when their season of ripening will come.
Do I really have to waste 2 or 3 years here? Why is this happening to me? I'd only
vous trouvez
just
ce que vous
found
aimez
my
faire?
direction in life. Yes, during the night of Lantern Rite, I heard many people reciting poems from Long Gone in praise of the moon. In that moment, I suddenly felt a
Elle va
great
être
sense
poète.
of pride. I mean, I helped excavate cultural artifacts from Long Gone, so I contributed to the revival of these poems too, right? So I decided to stay with the archaeological team. I want to
Ah.
unearth even more
Elle a
history.
trouvé sa passion, c'est bien. Sa voix.
I see. And are you sure that's what you want to do? If you don't achieve anything significant in the years to come, will you...
Yes, because archaeology gives me that boom shakalaka feeling.
Boum shakalaka, non mais... Boum shakalaka. Bah dis donc, entre le okidoki et le boum shakalaka, je pensais pas entendre ce genre de choses. Hein.
Wait, did Xiangling teach you that?
That's right. I was asking her for advice. She said that if something gives you that boom shakalaka feeling, then it has to be worth pursuing. I immediately thought about how, when I'm excavating in the ruins, I always feel like there's a ghost standing beside me. And not in a spooky way.
Aïe aïe aïe.
It feels like my great,
Oula.
right? It feels like I've made some kind of connection with my ancestors. Isn't that amazing?
Non, c'est très bien, effectivement.
Since you've made up your mind, you should give it your all.
And I'd love to, but I'm still grounded.
Run away, summon up a little boom shakalaka, and leave the tea garden behind. Flee this village.
Et de ce village.
That might be going a bit far. You don't want to lead others astray, Zabai.
Peut-être que vous devriez essayer de négocier avec votre famille.
Yeah. Tell them about your great.
I'd be better off telling them about the white horse.
Ah mais au
Then
secours,
it's settled. Tell your family that your decision has my blessing.
que je soutiens ta décision.
Thank you, Tsubai, but I don't think cosplay is going to work on them. They won't listen.
They don't need to listen. You need only follow the rules they've set out for you.
What do you mean?
As I'm sure you know, some ancient texts refer to the White Horse Adeptus as the daughter of time.
Et est-ce que c'est vrai ça?
My family history contains such records, but what of it?
If the White Horse Adeptus were to manipulate time to make your tea seedling
Oh.
grow overnight, then you'd be free, correct?
Is that how it works?
If the White Horse Adeptus were to really get involved, my grandfather would let me leave right away, but who really believes that she'd show up and help?
It's not as if you have any other options. Why not try calling out for help? It won't cost you any more.
Guess I might as well. I've got no better ideas anyway. White Horse Adeptus,
Aïe.
if you can hear me, please save me from my predicament.
Très mignon.
Ugh. Nothing happened,
Elle t'a dit une
as
nuit.
expected.
Perhaps the White Horse Adeptus has already heard your prayer. Why not come back here tomorrow and take a look? By then, the seedling you planted may well have grown into a thriving tea tree.
Thank you, Tsubai, for trying to comfort me. I do feel better now.
But can't you really do something like that?
Bah, Venti, il a bien annihilé une sorte d'espace-temps pour la marche d'Ivari, donc oui, peut-être. Hein.
Oh, it's getting late. Why don't you all stay at my house tonight? My family may be strict with me, but they're all.
That sounds great. Let's get some sleep and then come back here tomorrow to see if our tea baby has grown.
Vous suivez la jeune fille passer la nuit dans la résidence de la famille Lu dans le village de Tiaoying. Profitez d'une nuit tranquille au sommeil et vous retournez au champ de thé le lendemain matin. Un événement merveilleux vous attend.
Oh, the tea tree!
Whoa! Your tea baby is all grown up!
Il est bien grandi.
Indeed, it has grown into a mature tea tree that can stand tall in the face of wind and rain.
How is this possible?
Bon, c'est grâce à, bien sûr, à
It
l'adepte.
must be the work of the White Horse Adeptus. Your prayer must have moved her.
Are you sure?
Perhaps she heard your prayer and chose to answer the call.
She once saved
Comme
my
quoi, c'est
great,
marrant,
great,
ce petit
great,
cosplay.
great.
That's incredible! Your family must be blessed by the White Horse Adeptus.
C'est vrai que dans leur famille, il y a une petite qui a aussi été bénie par l'adepte. Comme quoi.
I guess so. I need to tell everyone the news right
Il
away.
devrait lever votre punition, non?
They better. Since this is the will of the White Horse Adeptus, I don't see how they could object.
Go! And if you run
Eh
into
oui.
any more trouble, call out to the White Horse Adeptus just like yesterday.
Thank you so much.
Ah, de toute beauté.
Paimon really thought you were going to use Adeptal energy to make the tea baby grow, Zabai.
When an Adeptus exerts effort, consuming their energy, is that not using Adeptal energy?
Oula.
Alright. What are we doing out here in the middle of the night?
We're here to help Lu Xiangxiang fulfill her wish, of course.
Can you really make the tea baby grow?
It won't be easy, but there are ways.
Oh non, tu veux pas me dire qu'elle a déterré un buisson pour le remettre, pour le mettre là où elle est l'autre.
There, it's grown.
Hey! You just transplanted a tea tree from over
C'est
there!
exact. Alors, mais au moins ça marchait. Hein.
So, there's a mature tea tree here now, yes?
Yeah, but
Eh, pas vu, pas pris, hein.
And am I not the White Horse Adeptus?
yeah.
Is this tea tree then not a manifestation of the White Horse Adeptus's will?
You're not wrong. But again, there's something not quite right about this.
Aïe, aïe.
Maybe this will become another mystical Adepti tale recorded in their family
Mais ils vont
history.
pas voir qu'il y en a un qui manque.
That would be marvelous.
Paimon thinks so too. Hey, Traveler. Sabai seems to be doing much better now, don't you think?
Peut-être que ça lui fait du bien d'être à l'extérieur.
Oh, Paimon bets that's why
Et si on
Shanli
continuait de lui
chose to
faire
send her on
visiter
this
Liyue?
errand? Huh, that's a great idea. We've already shown her Liyue Harbor, Yulong Wharf, and
Tant
Xiaoying
qu'on lui
Village.
montre pas le
How about we head to
gouffre.
Jinxa Village next?
Jinsa. That name sounds familiar.
The scenery there is really beautiful. Pretty, too. It's the perfect sightseeing spot.
I must say, I have been mightily
Ouais,
impressed
mais
by the
Liyue, c'est
mountains
magnifique,
and
hein.
waters of Liyue. Please lead the way, my dutiful guide.
Pour une deuxième région, quand même, elle est incroyable.
Paimon can't help feeling like we've forgotten something.
Ah
Pay
bon?
it no mind. I've already forgotten more than you will ever know.
Ah bon?
All right. If we forgot something, it can't have been that important to Jinxa Village. Here we come.
Eh oui, come. Tac, tac. Alors, on doit aller où là? Ah oui, ici, avec toute cette verdure. Je sais pas comment ça s'appelle ça réellement, mais c'est un plateau de végétation en quelque sorte. Mais aussi, ouais, ici c'est aussi magnifique. Surtout ces petits ruisseaux là. Enfin, la texture de l'eau et sa couleur est tellement belle. Ses reflets et tout. C'est sûr que ça rivalisera jamais avec Sea of Thieves. Mais je la trouve quand même extrêmement belle.
We should plant cucumbers.
Ah, des concombres.
We should plant canolas.
Du colza.
We should plant cucumbers. They're easy to sow. We should plant canolas. The flowers are pretty.
Planter les deux sinon.
What are you arguing about, little ones?
We're deciding what to plant in our field once Lantern Rite is over.
Yeah, Dad gave us a small plot of land to grow our own crops. He said we can keep all the more we get from selling them.
Regardez les morins des récoltes
We should
vendues.
plant cucumbers, right? Dad plants cucumbers every year.
We should plant canolas. We can press the seeds for oil. It
Mais faites
smells
les deux,
good
sinon.
and sells for a good price.
Ah, an agricultural debate. This should be easy to sort out.
Granny, are you a farmer?
Grand-mère.
Tell us what to do?
Granny? What did you just call me, you rapscallion?
Oh no, her eyes are gonna turn red again. It's just my granny smells really nice, and you smell nice too. So
Sorry. How about we call you Auntie instead?
Auntie?
Appelez-la juste Mademoiselle Zibai.
oh, all right.
Aïe aïe aïe. Elle va même tabasser des
Can you
enfants.
help
elle
us
va.
decide whether we should grow cucumbers or canolas in our field?
You little rascals. Using priceless land like this just for cucumbers and canolas? What a
Morph.
waste of heaven's gifts.
What should we plant instead?
With the coming of spring, when all things awaken, the fields should be sown with the 5 grains.
What are those?
The 5 grains are life's staples, the heart of the people's table. I notice the people here mostly eat rice, so based on
Du
the local
rice.
climate and soil, seedlings planted in mid to late spring should produce mature grain within 2 or 3 months. When autumn comes, you can plant a second crop, with time still to harvest it before the first frost. The rice you harvest can be sold at market or kept in your stores. It's a far better choice than cucumbers or canolas.
Surtout financièrement, je pense que ça va se vendre tout aussi bien.
Oh, but Big Sister Zubai, I like canolas.
That's no issue. It is unsuitable for continuous cropping in any case. You can rotate it with rice to maximize your yields. After the second rice harvest, around wintertime will be the perfect opportunity to sow their seeds. And when they mature in mid to late spring, you shall be just in time to sow the first rice crop of the year in turn. This way,
Year in
your
turn.
field will sustain balance, rice and canola in a harmonious cycle.
Wow, that means we'll have crops to harvest all year round.
Maybe.
Wait a minute! If rice and canola take up the whole year, what about my cucumbers?
What about?
A firefly dares rival the brilliance of the moon? In what twisted universe should cucumbers vie for land with rice?
Big Sis Zubai, you're going to hurt Lil Lee's feelings.
Non,
Cucumbers!
la vilaine.
Stop crying this instant! I meant that cucumbers are simple enough to grow. There's no need to devote a whole field to them. Just find an empty corner of your yard, scatter some cucumber seeds in the earth, and before you know it, you'll have a thriving patch of vines. Cucumbers delight in sunlight and moisture, but they suffer in cold weather. If you wish to plant them this early in the year, you should make sure they're protected from frost.
Wow,
Oh.
is it really that simple? Let's hurry home and get started right
Et du coup,
away.
c'est marrant parce qu'on a eu. On a visité 3 zones. Et ces 3 zones, chacun avait sa personnalité. Les yeux bleus pour le marchandage. Les yeux jaunes pour la bénédiction. Et les yeux rouges pour
Are you really
pour réprimander et
that much for
aider.
us? Well, thanks, Big Sis Zubai, who's fierce but really good at farming. We gotta go.
Thanks, Big Sis Zubai. See you around.
Paimon never imagined you'd know so much about farming.
What's so strange about that? The people of Longon called me the god
Right.
of soil and grain. Are the fields not made of soil? Is rice not one of the 5 grains?
That's true. So, if the god of soil and grain is a farming god,
Dit
that
comme
means
ça.
the White Horse Adeptus must be a farming adeptus, right?
Dit comme ça, Zibei a presque l'air d'avoir les pieds sur terre.
Of course, the god of farming is down to earth.
Mind your tongue, impertinent child. How dare you diminish the lofty bearing of an adeptus?
Hey, you're the one who said the god of soil and grain is all
Je suis en train de me
about
faire
farming.
attaquer par un moustique, au secours.
Enough.
Mission.
It's time for us to take to the skies once more. Join me now. Witness the majesty of mountain, water, and field, and broaden your horizons.
Horizons. T'as les yeux rouges là? Non, les yeux jaunes. S'asseoir, paradis. Faites un tour.
Wow, the terraces look so pretty from up here.
Ah, tu dis pas beau cette
The
fois-ci?
mountains tower like pagodas, the hills coiling at their feet like shells. Layers built upon layers, rising and falling in harmony. A truly unique and mesmerizing sight.
Mesmerize.
Thinking about it, you have a special connection to this place, you know.
A special connection.
Yeah, there's a local legend about a white horse leaping from a pure spring to follow Rex
Oh.
Lapis into battle. Don't you remember? You must have been living in seclusion around here.
Putain, mais
That does sound
Pourquoi elle parle
somewhat
aussi mal?
familiar.
Oh, and if we keep going up this way, we'll reach
Super
a
effrayant.
duper spooky spot. He might have a connection to that place too. There's an ancient array that seals away the remains of a fallen
comment ça?
god.
A god's remains?
Yeah, the people of Liyue turned that story into an opera
Tao
called
Do.
The Sanctification of Tao Do.
Oh, c'est pas derrière une
Does
cascade, un
that
truc
ring
comme ça?
any bells?
Tao Do. Huh. The 7 and 8 gates array.
That's right, that's right! You do remember!
Bune.
Bune, the god of the underworld, who could
Comment
pacify
ça?
the forces of life and death.
Huh? So, Tao Do had
Bune.
another name?
Let's go take a look.
Oh! Il a vu qu'on aille tout là-haut, c'est ça? Padapapidou, padapapidou, tadananana. Putain, qu'est-ce que c'est beau, hein. Ah, quand soudainement, c'est la pluie. Ah non, c'était là, Taodo.
We've arrived at Wulwang Hill. The atmosphere just turns spooky.
C'était avec le donjon, là.
I can't help but feel there's something strange about this friend
Hein?
you haven't seen in ages.
Comment ça?
Paimon thought she heard someone's voice. Let's head down and check it out.
On est tout à fait discret avec ce chariot. Ça fait plaisir. Avec les petits nuages en plus qu'il y a. Non mais c'est cool. Hein.
I
Allez.
can't help but feel
Ah bah c'est elle.
there's something strange about this friend you haven't seen in ages.
Strange?
Her strangeness defies description. This Miss Zabai is a full-blown enigma, don't you think?
Enigma.
I'm afraid I have no idea what you're talking about.
Aren't you worried about sending her all the way to Yilong Wharf on her own to buy tea? What if she gets lost?
Mais nous sommes
Where
là.
there are people, there are paths.
Il y a toujours des chemins là où il y a des gens.
Now I'm the one with no clue what you're saying.
She can ask for directions.
And then what?
She will meet strangers in unfamiliar lands, build friendships, part ways. Hers will be a long journey indeed. The further the journey, the more footprints one leaves behind. The deeper those footprints, the harder it is for time to erase them.
Il parle de Istaros là?
Ah, so you want her to make new friends. I see. But from what you say, it sounds as though she's not from Liyue.
I believe she was not, but perhaps she will be.
You're sounding stranger by the second.
De plus en plus énigmatique ce petit ongli.
Oh, over there. Oh,
Tao! Zhongli! What are you
Tao.
doing here?
Donc Utao qui vient de Taobo, c'est le dieu des enfers? Pas du tout.
traveler. Paimon, fancy meeting in a place like this. Oh my, sounds like fate to me.
Vous êtes lié par le destin.
We were taking Sabai to buy some tea from Yulong Wharf. Zhongli sent her there, though she didn't even know the way, and... Oh, drat!
Merde, on a oublié le thé, c'est vrai.
Tea! Oh, Paimon knew we were forgetting something.
Pardon, j'ai oublié aussi.
What's done is done. There's no need to dwell on it. Fresh tea grows with each passing year. Let fate deliver it as it wills.
Exactly. You can get tea wherever you go. You're hardly running low now, are you?
Paimon feels a lot better now that you've said that.
Still, I'm a little confused. If you were buying tea, how did you end up all the way out here?
We're taking Spy on a sightseeing tour. We started at Liyue Harbor, stopped in at Yulong Wharf, went sightseeing around Xiaoying Village, made our way to Qingce Village, and now we're here.
Si bye.
Wow, that is quite the itinerary.
Yeah, actually, Paimon thinks it's about time we headed back.
Et vous, que faites-vous ici, Utao et Zongli?
I'm here here to pay my
Aw.
respects to my ancestors. My dear consultant kindly agreed to join me. It is Lantern Rite, after all. Adepti and ancestors should be venerated alike.
Ancestors? Wait, could you be?
Tao Bao.
Are you heir to the Wu-Wong kid?
Non, pas
Or
du tout.
perhaps the lone butterfly of the Crimson Flame?
Du gamin Wu Wang? Quoi? Ah, j'ai pas la ref. En même temps, je l'ai pas Wu Tao, donc j'ai pas lu son...
Whoa! Have you got all your memories back?
Huh? Miss Zabai, you know about the Wangsheng funeral parlor and the 8 adepts?
I happened to hear a storyteller expound on the sanctification of Tao Do.
Lots of people know that story, sure, but very few can discern my family lineage from just a glance. Well, Zhongli, your friend here really is quite something. Unfortunately, there's no time to dally right now. We have a hill to climb. Perhaps once today is done, we can find time to chat over tea, recite poetry, and admire the moon?
That
Maria
would
the
be
Moon.
wonderful, Director Who.
Oh! Ils ont peut-être une nouvelle employée.
And before we go, you've been traipsing around all day. I suggest you stop off at the Wangshu Inn on your way back for a good night's rest. Wouldn't do to exhaust yourselves,
Grazie
Don't
mille.
mention it.
Mais de
All
rien.
right, we'll take our leave now. See you later.
See you later.
How so thoughtful! Why don't we follow her advice and stay at the Wangshu Inn tonight? Zabai, you can see the whole of Dihua Marsh from up there. The view's amazing. Plus, you can sample Smiley Yin
Yan
Xiao's
Chao.
cooking.
Wang Shu. An intriguing name. It couldn't hurt to check it out.
Awesome! Let's go!
Ah, je sais pas qu'on va entendre Yoonjin chanter. Pas du tout fan, hein, c'est faux. Tac. Alors. Ah oui, là-bas, l'auberge. Avec le dompteur de démons. Tadada. On va vraiment aller en carrosse là?
Is that towering structure Wangshu Inn?
Sure is. We can take the lift up from over there.
Always walking the path long trodden. Does retracing others' footsteps not tire you?
Pas spécialement, même si d'après De Torre, qui nous a appris à rester au sol plutôt que voler.
Come on, get in. We'll fly to the top.
Et c'est reparti. C'est vrai que c'est immense son truc. Hein. Merde, je me suis pas assis. Vite. Elle m'a intrigué avec son histoire des anges là.
Wangshu Inn? Isn't that a bit showy? All the guests are gonna see us.
Is that a bad thing? To be able to witness an Adeptus. This will surely add to the inn's appeal, not to mention the room prices. The owner will thank us.
You seem to really like showing off your powers.
This inn's architecture is incredible, and the surrounding countryside radiates a picturesque charm. No wonder the new proprietor of the Baiju Guest House thinks he can't compete and has decided to change his own establishment's name.
The new proprietor? Ah, you mean Lu Shengsheng's dad. So you know about that too. Personally, Paimon thinks it should go with something like
Au repos du souverain de la roche.
Rest. That's a contender's name.
Non, moi j'aime bien
Paimon's
leur
never heard
nom
one.
là.
A fitting name indeed.
So you think the guest house should change its name too? Paimon kind of thought you'd say something like, "Such sacrosanct traditions must never change."
C'est vrai aussi.
Time flows ever onward. Why should the rules of yesterday be carried forward into the world of tomorrow? The people of today should determine what is to be kept.
C'est beau.
You're not as old-fashioned and stuffy as Paimon
Très belle
thought.
phrase que j'essaierai de mémoriser.
The years ebb and flow, seas recede to reveal fields. In the vastness of time, I am but a wild horse in a boundless sea of dust. Even Rex Lapis, having waded through the waters of the River of Time, is not
Traverser
quite
les eaux du
the
fleuve du
same as
temps.
before.
Comment ça?
Zhongli? What was he like before?
That is
Oh,
another
la
story for another
déteste.
time.
Putain, elle parle des anges, elle explicite pas. Elle parle de Zhongli et de son tempérament ayant changé après les fleuves du temps et
We
elle
have arrived.
rechange. Arise. Il y a vraiment un parking dédié pour son chariot quand même. Hein. Faut quand même en parler.
This is the first time Paimon's ever flown up to Wangshu Inn on a chariot. Everything's so different when you're up high.
Est-ce que le démon de
Wangshu,
dompteur de démons
Wangshu, like moon lanterns and show lanterns. Might it all be a coincidence?
What's a coincidence?
Do you not know what Wangshu means?
Non. Maintenant, la lune, c'est oui.
Wangshu can refer to the moon, but its original meaning is actually
En or un.
The goddess who rides the bright moon's chariot.
Ah. La déesse qui conduit le chariot lunaire.
And you must be the conqueror of demons.
Xiao! Paimon was wondering if we'd disturbed you by flying down from the sky.
En même temps, on voit que nous. Hein.
Not at all. I sensed an unusual presence long before you arrived, though I didn't expect it to be you in a flying chariot.
Ah, a witness at last. I was starting to think we should fly a bit lower. It would be awfully dull if no one ends up marveling at my lofty bearing.
Mon allure majestueuse, et bah rien que ça.
No
tiens.
need, no need. This is already showy enough.
I'm not one to do good from the shadows, as Rex Lapis is wont to do.
Then you must be...
C'est l'adepte cheval blanc.
Nay, I'm only cosplaying as the White Horse Adeptus, in truth.
cosplaying. What's that?
Ugh, ignore her nonsense. She's a genuine article. The one and only, completely authentic White Horse Adeptus. It's just... Xiao, did Zhongli say anything about her being a teensy bit... not quite right?
J'avoue, elle le traite d'idiote.
Mental instability, perhaps?
D'instabilité
Did
psychologique.
Zhongli tell you that?
No, this is my own speculation.
Well, you pretty much hit the nail on the head. It's like her brain's filled with a bunch of slimes right now. All gloopy and messy.
De Bob gluant
There's a
et désordonné.
hot-tempered pyro slime, a math-obsessed hydro slime,
Il y a des
and a
mots
mischievous
espiègles.
little animo slime. But don't tell her Paimon said that, or she'll come and tell us all off.
You white-haired rascal! Do you think I can't hear you?
Uh-oh! We're in for it now!
Tu le mérites.
White Horse Adeptus. You must be wary from your journey.
Oh, yes! You must be hungry, right, Sabai? How about we get some food? The chef here is incredible!
Ça donne faim.
It's so hot! So spicy!
Are you okay? Do you want Paimon to get you some water?
Alors, l'eau, c'est pas non plus recommandé pour l'épice, hein, ma chère. Plutôt le lait et le pain.
Don't worry about me. I just need to pace myself.
Bichette.
So, regarding your friend and her condition, does even the Lord of Geo have no solution?
Bah, que ça marchera avec le temps.
Zhongli said we should wait and she'll get better on her own. But who knows how long that's gonna take?
Il a dit que c'est parce que ces trois personnalités instables viennent tout juste de fusionner.
Is that why her personalities change so easily?
Paimon thinks that has something to do with her 3 deadly selves. Zhongli told us that the deadly selves are impure.
The White Horse Adeptus's remnant spirit was attached to the deadly selves for a long
Ouais.
time. It makes sense that her temperament and memories would have been influenced by them.
compréhensible, et en plus de ça, genre, ça fait 1000 ans du coup qu'ils sont attachés en 3
Paimon
genre.
still doesn't really understand what the three deadly
Ou
cells
plus.
actually are.
Pour moi, ça, en fait, pour moi, ça fait plus que 1000 ans. Moi, je sais pas. La première fois qu'elle est morte, elle est morte en ayant voulu défendre sa nation du pilier céleste ou lors de la guerre des Archons? Ah non, non, je dis de la merde. Ils nous l'ont dit en plus. Genre que Zixiao, donc c'est celle qui avait juste les yeux jaunes et qu'on a fait découvrir Liyue. Genre celle qui a conclu un pacte avec... comment elle s'appelle Zhongli. Pour la guerre des Archons. Si j'ai bien compris.
Paimon, as you do not practice self-cultivation, I cannot help you fully understand. But you can think of them simply as emotions and desires. The act of severing the three deadly cells
L'abscission.
is a means of exercising wicked desires and cultivating one's true self. I believe
L'Amtmagra.
other nations have similar practices. In Sumeru, it is known as shattering Atmagraha.
Atmagra.
Oh, so it's about emotions, desires, and attachments. That sort
Bien
of thing.
sûr.
It includes those. I wonder, does she still remember
je
what
pense.
happened in the past?
Je pense qu'elle s'en rappelle. Bon, on a juste à aller au gouffre.
Some of it, but right now, it's like she was suddenly awakened. But she's still half dreaming. The half that's still dreaming might remember things, but the half that's awake doesn't quite get it.
Conqueror of demons, are you looking to learn about Rex Lapis'
Ah oui,
past
dis-nous
from me?
tout.
You are an old friend of his, so please, call me by my name.
But Conqueror of Demons sounds so
Alors,
much
vas-y.
more
J'ai envie de Paypog, là.
imposing.
Alors, comment était-il avant les fleuves de temps?
In days of yore, he was the Lord of Geo, Heaven's Star.
L'étoile céleste. Le seigneur de l'élément géo. Oh là là, qu'est-ce qui se passe encore? Tout de suite.
Huh? You said the same thing the day you came back. But what does it mean?
Qu'est-ce qu'une étoile céleste? Merde.
I'm afraid I can't remember.
Attends. Tu crains de ne pas t'en souvenir ou parce que quelqu'un a effacé ça de ta mémoire? Un peu comme Lumine. Attention, hein.
Hey, did you really forget? Or are you just pretending so you don't have to tell?
Why not ask Rex Lapis himself? Whether I've forgotten might be up for debate, but I am certain he remembers.
Bon bah lui, il va jamais nous dire.
He must have his reasons for not raising the past, and you likely have similar concerns. I shouldn't have asked.
An answer that suits your style, General Alatus. Now that we're on the
Alatus.
subject, though, I suddenly remembered something.
Which is?
In the distant past, there was a feast, which I attended. I faintly recall the Lord of Geo also
Okay.
being present that day.
En 12 je screenshot.
Oh,
Qu'est-ce qui s'est
Merde.
passé? On ne dit pas,
What
tu te
happened?
rappelles plus.
Among the dishes served, there was one that could be found in every household throughout Langan at the start
Les
of
savants
spring.
printaniers.
A dish called Flavor of Spring.
Oui, bah ça, il a plus de 6000 ans, ça on
I
sait.
suddenly remembered the recipe for this dish.
is that it?
Ah, elle veut refaire le plat pour Zhongli, ça peut être tout chaud.
Yes! Since it's Lantern Right here in Liyue, why don't I make some for you to try?
That sounds.
Et peut-être que
Wow,
peut-être que
it
son
might not
plat.
have been the story Paimon was hoping for, but this looks delicious.
C'est un sandwich.
The spring breeze stirs. Now is the perfect time to savor this dish.
Il faut en donner à Zhongli aussi.
My dutiful guides have gone to great trouble to show me around Liyue. And even the Conqueror of Demons has graced us with his presence. I feel deeply honored. This flavor of spring is my way of expressing my gratitude.
There's no need for such grand words.
Grandiloquente. J'ai un cadeau pour vous aussi.
What's this?
Ah, mais c'est son arme. Ou un
It's a
truc comme ça.
broken jade token from the antiques exhibition.
Ah, peut-être qu'elle va s'en rappeler. Je crois que ça vous appartient, n'est-ce pas?
Indeed. This was once an adeptal treasure of mine. I'm amazed it ended up in your hands.
Ah merde.
Alas, it serves little purpose now in its fractured state.
Mais
Please,
tu peux
keep
pas
it
le
as a
reconstruire?
memento.
Oh, that's a shame. Can't we fix it?
This is the way of the world. Once jade is broken, it can never be made whole.
Oh,
Then, what about forging a new one?
oh oui.
That is a good point. That it has ended up in your hands must be a message from fate.
Toujours le destin, nous, hein, n'est-ce pas?
I could try to craft it into a little trinket for you. One that might prove useful on your journey.
Une petite breloque?
Ooh, what sort of trinket?
It's just a passing thought, one that will require the right
Ah.
opportunity. I'll think about it more when the time comes. Now that we've had our fill, we should get some rest. Tomorrow we return to Liyue Harbor, where I'll have need of your guidance once more.
Once more. Non mais l'archon, enfin le seigneur de l'élément géo, l'étoile céleste. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? Parce que moi je pense au dragon, tu vois, mais j'ai l'impression que le seigneur c'est différent. Je vous dis, il est trop bizarre Zorli. De l'élément géo.
Chi-Chi, the lantern ride is almost over. Do you remember how to make a Shao lantern?
Ah, il a un nouveau skin, c'est mignon.
Split bamboo, traveler, and get silk, make Paimon. You've got it all mixed up again. They're here again. Yeah,
Ah oui,
looking good in that new outfit,
ah
huh?
ouais, il est magnifique. Kawaii quoi.
Hey, it's Paimon. Dr. Baiju gave this to me as a gift. How does it suit me?
Oh, kawaii. Tu es adorable.
Thank you. Wow! What happened for Baiju to suddenly give you a brand new outfit, Yao Yao?
Je sais pas, c'est son anniversaire peut-être.
Dr. Baiju is thanking Yao Yao
Ah,
for teaching me to make Shao lanterns.
et quand est-ce que t'as un nouveau skin aussi, Chichi?
Chi-Chi and I were just playing together. Dr. Baiju's too kind. Oh, yeah, take a look at this. Dr. Baiju gave me these clothes,
Oh,
but it was Chi-Chi who wove this little basket.
trop mignonne.
Wow, that's beautiful. When did you become so good with your hands, Chi-Chi? I learned to make Shao lanterns, thanks to Yao Yao. I also made a wish.
Ah
What do I
ouais,
always say? The White Horse Adeptus answers prayers. Come, help this old man make an offering in thanks.
Ah,
Mr. Liu? What?
For my idiot son to finally come to his senses and not
Ah.
change Baiju Guest House's name.
ah c'est
which
peut-être
he
grâce à
has.
Liu Chong Chuang ça.
Huh? He's keeping the old name?
Listen to this. My granddaughter planted a tea
Ah.
seedling in our village just a few days ago. She made a prayer to the White Horse Adeptus to help it grow. Overnight, her seedling flourished into a mature
L'arnaque
tea
du siècle.
tree.
Oh, that sure does sound like a miracle. Could the White Horse Adeptus really have helped it grow?
Of course she did. Oh, White Horse Adeptus, how blessed is our family over whom you keep watch.
Comme ça va pouvoir vivre de sa passion.
Truly, this is an extraordinary miracle. You must record it in your family history without...
Of course. Huh? Is that you, Miss Zibai?
Indeed. I have a long-term booking at your guest house.
Yes, I recall. Mr. Zhongli said to charge your expenses to the Wangsheng Funeral Parlor, if I remember.
That's Young Li. Always making trouble for poor Hu Tao.
La pauvre.
I noticed when you were here last that you bear a striking resemblance to the pictures of the White Horse Adeptus in my family history. You both have golden eyes.
Golden Eye.
Perhaps fate has had a hand in our meeting.
And a glad meeting it is, Miss Zabai. Now why don't I gift you some tea from my garden to celebrate this encounter?
Bah tiens, le fameux thé.
We grow Sunglaw tea there, and it has quite the reputation throughout Yilong Wharf. I hope you will accept it.
Oh! Sunglaw, buy 10 boxes, get half off teas. Back on the menu.
Buy 10 boxes, get half off? Don't be silly. This is a gift. It's free.
Woohoo!
Non, c'est moins cher que gratuit.
Thank you so much, Boss Lou.
There's no need to thank me. You're a visitor from out of town, which makes you an honored guest. Make yourself at home. Lantern Rite may have ended, but the streets are still bustling with activity. Make sure to take everything in, meet some new friends, and enjoy your time here.
Ça donne envie de la poule quand même.
And
Hein,
that
bon.
goes for you kids as
Regardez
well.
les primogènes,
Happy
déjà j'en ai pas
Lantern
beaucoup.
Rite.
Got it, Mr. Lou.
Happy
Aw.
Lantern Rite.
Yeah! Happy Lantern Rite, everyone!
Happy Lantern Rite indeed.
Indeed. Ah. Bah, c'était trop bien. J'ai adoré. Franchement. C'était trop cool. Putain, et franchement, Zhongli quoi. Déjà, en plus, déjà on apprend déjà d'une que Ziba est une ange. Mais c'est surtout Zhongli, genre. C'est un seigneur de l'élément géo, de l'étoile céleste. Franchement. Attends, juste regarder un truc. Voir si je me rappelle du truc ou pas. L'ultime éclat de l'étoile. Oh non, c'est pas ça. Non, parce que je pensais que l'étoile céleste, ça faisait référence à ça. Mais pas du tout. Putain, Zhongli de mort, quoi. J'ai toujours pas lu son histoire. Un jour, on la lira à Trust. Quand j'aurai tout fait sur le second compte. En tout cas, merci à celles et ceux d'avoir été là de YouTube. J'espère que tu t'as aimé cette dernière acte, bien sûr, pour Zibai. Très stylé comme personnage, en tout cas, moi j'ai beaucoup adoré. Et puis voilà, petits bisous.